Spyware, normally used on a battlefield, set up for demonstration on a South African wine farm. But it's for good reason these weapons of war scan this gentle landscape. Now, the company that markets this equipment here in South Africa says it's used by the US military in Afghanistan and on the border between Mexico and the United States. Infrared radar comms packages that are used to protect US soldiers or to stop illegal immigration. Military hardware that many people here hope will be deployed in the fight against rhino poaching. Hours away from the wine farm and even further away from war zones, rhinos graze in the South African bushveld, targets of poachers who sell rhino horn to Asian markets where it's wrongly believed to be a medicine. The World Wildlife Fund says nearly 450 were butchered for their horns in South Africa last year. And with an estimated global population of around 20,000, survival of the species is threatened if that rate of slaughter continues.
The system has got the capability of seamlessly integrating into a drone.
Leslie Steenkamp's company is looking to import this technology from the US, hoping to sell it to private and public game parks as a high-tech solution to the rhino poaching crisis. I mean, it's crazy that we're sitting here talking about this.
It is. It is high-tech equipment. It's military specification equipment. All of the equipment we use is military equipment. But I think the fight has gone further. We need to fight fire with fire.
It's a battle that's seen the South African military patrolling borders to stop poachers sneaking in. Vets have darted rhinos from helicopters and drilled holes into their horns to insert GPS and radio transmitters. This project failed because batteries just didn't last, rattling around inside a rhino's horn. But even as he tests infrared binoculars, all part of this military solution, environmentalist Dr. Simon Morgan says South Africans are just running out of options. Their arsenal doesn't match the might and money of organized Asian crime syndicates.
And if we're not being innovative continuously and or looking at the various solutions holistically, we're not going to be able to catch up with them and beat them. So this type of technology that we're talking about is crucial in this fight against the poachers.
Technology that already protects some of the world's more valuable commodities, says the man behind the US company that develops it.
Any of the cameras and sensors in this mobile surveillance capability are also the same sensors and radars that you might use to protect a vital resource.
Is the rhino a vital resource worth protecting as the fight continues on all fronts? Robin Kerno, CNN, Cape Town, South Africa.